To beat the blazing heat, choking pollution, and skyrocketing electric bills, plant some trees. In tonight's Project Green Report, groundbreaking research in North Texas to find out how many trees we have and where we need to plant more. Channel 8's David Schechter has our report.
This corps of volunteers stands ready to fulfill a mission.
If we were to take a knife and slice it open, their chances are we'd either see a little grub in there.
Ew, no, that's nasty.
That could make life better for us all. Planting trees and cooling down our urban oceans of concrete.
Trees and green spaces are exceptionally good for our mental state.
There's just enormous value to the shade effect.
Born and raised in Dallas, I have a family here and 2 young boys, and I want to try to leave it better for them.
To fully understand the benefits of trees in the city, you have to go where there are no trees in the city. Right now, the air temperature outside is 100 degrees. But check out the temperature on the pavement, more than 120 degrees. But where city streets are lined with trees, it's a whole nother story. The temperature in this pavement checks in at just over 90 degrees. That's almost 30 degrees cooler.
It's a huge number.
Steve Hauser is the tree man of Dallas, an activist constantly pushing the city to plant more trees. But how many and where?
We cannot manage an asset that we don't fully understand and can't even fully recognize to begin with.
Other cities around the country have counted trees by hand, but that takes 10 years or more.
It sure seems there's a better, faster way to do it.
Hauser thinks he has a better idea. First, he gathers leaf samples from a wide variety of trees.
And then put it here.
Then Dr. Fang Key at UT Dallas records each tree's distinct digital code.
This is the spectral signature. Using remote sensing, we can save a lot of, field work.
Eventually, a high-tech camera will fly over the city and identify the variety, quantity, and location of the city's trees.
So that we know we're not just sticking trees in willy-nilly. We're trying to find the exact locations that will have the most amount of benefit, which is where we want to start in the beginning.
Armed with that information, Hauser can then send out his army of volunteers to places like Harry Hines Boulevard, where trees are few and far between, and then the planting can begin. David Schechter, Channel 8 News.
For more ideas on how to go green, start at our website, WFAA.com.